Hey, what's up you guys? Aaron here from Clever Programmer, and today I just want to explain strings a little bit. It's a data type in Python, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so strings. What the heck are strings in Python? Well, I mentioned this in a previous video about data types, that all I said was that strings are just things on the screen that are enclosed in quotation marks. Okay, so let's just type S for string. So anything in here like hello, ma'am, okay? Anything enclosed in quotation marks here is considered a string. That's about all I said in the previous video. But what I actually want to go through is the distinction between this and the integers and floats and other data types. So a string literally is just whatever is typed on the screen. It is exactly that, okay? Like the string is literally that data. It is that sentence there. A good way to think of a string is just a sentence. It's a string of any characters, numbers, and symbols, okay, in a sentence. So you can have anything you want there as long as you want. It can be empty. It can have one character. It can have an entire novel, entire ebook in there. It is just considered one string. And it is its own data type because it is considered one whole. It's that entire sentence together is the thing that I'm putting into this variable s here. As you can see, that entire thing is there, and it is what it is. It's a little bit hard to explain, but it's just exactly that. So you can move this around. You can print s. As you can see, if I run this, then hello ma'am pops up just like that because this stuck together as a whole. And pretty much you can also index into this. So let's say I want to print s. So there's a little bracket here. What this means is I'm going to index into s. So if this is following s and I put a number in here, this is just going to give us a little part of the string. So this here, we start at 0. We don't start at 1 in programming. So we start at 0. This would actually just give us h. If I put in a 1, it would actually give us e. So you're actually able to read different parts of a string. You can actually read different ranges in the string too, but I'm going to explain that at a later date in a different video. It's called slicing. If you're interested in that, to get a substring out of here, a substring is just a small part of a longer string, then you can look that up. But I'll have a video coming out on that, going really in depth with that later if you just want to wait for that. But yeah, that's pretty much strings. There's a lot of different functions on strings you can call too. I'll also be going over those in future videos. But pretty much all you need to know is that a string is just something enclosed in quotation marks. You can also use single quotes. I forgot to mention that if I didn't already say that. Just like that, that'll work equally as well. But yeah, a string is just that. It's just a sentence that is together, and that's the data type. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.